You are the project manager of a large scale international project with over 50 team members spread across various time zones and cultural background. The complexity of the project and the diversity of the team presents significant communication challenges. Okay. In this scenario, what is the most effective approach to ensure that your communications are effective, understood by all the team members? So, it is talking about creating shared understanding about the work, managing the communication effectively, focusing on virtual team, focusing on working in a multiple diversified culture and time zone space. So let's see how can we have a good communication management plan to support these ideas. So let's move forward. Use email for communication, but include more detailed explanation and request read receipt to confirm that emails are being opened. Directly jumping to a conclusion, action. We need to acknowledge the challenge, we need to analyze and find appropriate response. Now, just by looking at it, I can't decide option style A of communication will be good or style B of communication will be good. I can't say email will be good, I can't say bring everyone together in a same call and we will discuss it together. So depends. So definitely A is out. Implement a standardized communication protocol and use project management software to track it, and the team members assess the information. Yeah, so overall, we are saying I will, it's like option A. The only difference is rather than email, I'm saying I will put a software and I will keep saying, are people using it or not? Yeah. So we'll have a communication protocol, we will have a software, and I will track if the team members are accessing the information in the right manner or not. So possible, yeah, but should I jump to it or can I explore something more? Yeah, that's something we need to explore. Option C, schedule regular virtual meeting with the whole team to discuss project updates and encourage open feedback during these sessions. I think this question is easy, yeah, because the first three options are directly talking about acting, and we know from our previous understanding we need to do acknowledgement, analysis, and then act. So if option D gives me some middle path, I am done. Yeah, that seems to be the case. Develop a communication plan that includes diverse methods like email, virtual meeting, and short video messages, and follow up with a survey or a one-on-one check-ins to ensure understanding and gather feedback. Perfectly okay. Yeah, because I'm not focusing on a particular way of communicating, and I'm saying we will have a communication plan which will take care of all these aspects. So I feel this was an easy one, and if you are finding this one is also challenging, I think we just need to have a clear understanding about acknowledge, analyze, and act, and focus on that there is no one solution. We need to find the right solution based on the context. So there is no one perfect way of communicating. We need to find an appropriate way of communicating depending upon the team situation. So this maps to overall primarily to a task called manage communication, a process domain task, and it also indirectly mapped to engaging and supporting virtual team because the context is putting that we are working in a virtual environment. The clear mapping of this particular question could be on communication management plan. So we should have a good communication management plan to take care of such kind of communication challenges.